Hi beauties, here is an extra step to help you achieve the best skin condition. Let's talk about the Gua Sha. This traditional practice not only relaxes your muscles but also has a ton of skin benefits that will level up your skin. If you are new to Gua Sha, please follow the steps below. Step 1. Activate lymph nodes. Before actually getting into the massage, it is so important to activate your lymph nodes. This allows proper draining of fluid and water retention, so you are actually getting rid of any bloating or puffiness. Press gently on these areas each 10 times. Step 2. Apply massage cream. It gives the Gua Sha the ability to easily glide without tugging and pulling at your skin. I'm using the Beauty of Joseon's Jelloskin massage cream. It is super moisturizing with tiger bean and rice bran oil, as well as soothing benefits with centella. Make sure you apply generous amount of the Jelloskin cream that creates a smooth surface for the Gua Sha to glide on. With this cream, you don't need to wipe it off after massaging. It will absorb well into the skin without any sticky residue. Step 3. Hold Gua Sha at 45-degree angle. Make sure you're holding the Gua Sha at a 45-degree angle and very gently glide across the skin using the pressure of the Gua Sha, not your hand. Step 4. Let's Gua Sha. Jawline and chin. Using the sculpted side of the Gua Sha, glide upwards from the center of the chin to the earlobe and down to the neck to drain out fluid. This contours and creates a sharper jaw. Cheek. Using the smooth side of the Gua Sha, start from the nose and in a sweeping motion, move across the cheeks and cheekbones, moving outwards towards your ears. Eyebrows and eyes. Firstly, use the round corner of the Gua Sha to gently draw tiny circular motion along the shape of your eyebrows, starting from the inner corner and moving towards the temple. Next, using the sculpted side, massage the eye area by following the natural eye socket. Gently swipe it a few times around the eye holes to stimulate and relax the area. Don't forget the forehead. Starting at the eyebrows and glide the Gua Sha upwards to your hairline. It really helps to decrease the fine lines on my forehead. Finally, massage any area where you feel tightness. Once finished, tap the excess cream into your skin to help it absorb fully. I hope this video helped our beauties, especially for the Gua Sha beginners. Until next time, bye beauties, let's be pretty!